Good morning and welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video this morning, I'm going to walk you through on how to send objects back in Word Mobile app. You may have two images, or will I say a combination of an image and an object in your Word Mobile app, and you want to send one backward. This is common in the use of the desktop version of Word, but you can still do the same with the mobile version. So let's get started so that we have a practical experience of what I want to teach you. Alright, let's access the app first. In the final search, I'll type Word. Alright, it has shown up. I'll tap on it for it to open. Now these are the documents I created recently on this Word mobile application. But I want to work with one of them, which is the first one on the list of documents I have on this mobile app. So I'll tap on it for it to open. Alright. Then I'll tap on the edit icon. Okay, the first let's say the first image here are two. You have the bigger one, which is an image, the smaller one, which is an object, a shape. Is it a rectangular shape or a square shape? Anyway, it's just a shape. So whether rectangle or square, what's why for is that it's just a shape. The shape is on top of the image. Okay? Now, what if I want to send this shape backward so that I can only see the image clearly? What do I do? That is what the tutorial is all about. So I will tap on the object for it to be selected. Then the next step is to tap on the ribbon display option, which is the arrow that points up at the bottom right. Okay. Alright, I will scroll down to the arrange command. I will tap on the arrange command. Okay, then the next step is to tap on send backwards or send to back. So any of them you go with, we send the object back, and then you can see the image clearly. So look at it. As you can see, the object has now been sent backward. Alright, so these are just the few steps you have to take to use to the send backwards or send to back command that applies to images and objects in Word mobile application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe. Thank you.